Surveys are only as good as the reports they produce. To create an effective report, it's important to structure them logically and to provide a clear answer to your research questions. We recommend that you're consistent when using chart types, data formats, and color theme. Consistency helps your report reader understand your report easier. In this video, I will cover the following: choosing the right chart types, understanding data formats, creating effective color theme, and structuring your report. Just so you know, the reports included in our templates follow the same principles. Reports will often consist of different chart types. The right combination will help you gain valuable insights. Let's go through them one by one. Frequency charts show the distribution of answers for all types of questions and the average calculation for rating scale questions. In short, if you want to know how your respondents have answered, use the frequency chart. Comparison charts allows you to analyze the relationship between two questions or background variable. You can also compare two different groups of respondents. For more complex analysis and benchmarking, I recommend using data series. Time series charts are used to track changes over time, such as customer satisfaction or employee engagement. Top-bottom charts can help you identify the questions with the highest or lowest average. Theme overview charts helps you to show several questions or themes in one chart. As the name suggests, this will give you an overview of your results. Counter charts count responses, and you can even set a target. For example, you can monitor how many people have signed up for a newsletter. Depending on your chart types, you can display your data in multiple ways, such as pie charts, stack bars, and gauges. When displaying the distribution of your answers, you can choose between percentages and numbers, depending on what you want to communicate. Numbers are useful if you want an exact number of a particular response. For example, you're interested to know how many people or employees have experienced workplace harassment. Percentages, on the other hand, represent the share of something. For example, you want to know how many percent of your customers are detractors. For scale questions, you can also display the data as an average. If you're using matrix rating scale questions, you can both use the average for the sub-questions or the overall theme. Creating the right color theme can make your data more visually appealing and even highlight important trends and patterns. For example, you can use a color theme if you're using a frequency chart on a rating scale question. If your scale goes from negative to positive, you can highlight the negative answers in red, the neutral in yellow, and the positive values with green. A similar approach can be used for gauges showing averages. Use the color themes to highlight different ranges. I recommend that you create at least 3 color themes. One for your brand colors, one for your scale, and one that you can use for your gauges to highlight different ranges. All your color themes are stored onto your account and you can use them in the future. Your report structure and layout play a key role when engaging your readers and guiding them through the data. You can use report sections to organize your charts, and you can give the sections relevant names. You can also define the number of columns per section, whether it's 1, 2, or 3 columns, to show different charts next to each other. In addition, you can also compress and expand a chart to have different sizes. Your report structure should be defined by the importance of your results and not the order of the questions. What I normally do is I have a section that highlights the most important key findings. Those could be the key matrix, the theme overview, and the top button. From there on, I create a section where I have each theme after each other. For consistency, I advise you to use the same chart types, colors, and data format throughout your sections.